if I propose to you and you chose to accept,
Smith, this has been going on for a while. I really wanted to tell you this. Yeah, though it has been hard for you, but I've been willing and I've been wanting to tell you this. Smith, will you marry me? I don't know. I feel like it's big. I feel like you're going to feel bad, but I really want you to marry me.
A man should say it first because ekyo kikuyisa respect eri. Omanyi abasajja mwagala nnyo ba respectinga. So nsigala mu kirimbo woman will propose to me. Oba kitegeera nawe kiba kikuwa eri viga otambula mu banno I'm proposing. Naye ng'omanyi wakiwulikiko omuwala okujja na proposing.
Both of them can propose to each other. Not necessarily that you're supposed to propose in camera or something. You can propose in your bedroom and be like, man, I want to get married to you.
You're not loved by only one person. It is just that you choose that one among the men.
True.
Tamayita bagamba nti abakazi tuguma. Kati naye kanali nabigumira.
Kati lwaki obobi lwaki watondeka n'ondeka n'engenda.
Like Smith, I know we have gone through a lot together.
Yeah.
Until today. It may have taken you long to say this, or you may be afraid of my response, but I'm willing, or you can be like, but I'm ready to be your wife, or I want to be your wife.
Live and direct from Makerere University. It's another big day, another big show. My name is the one, the king himself. On Let's Talk, olero ntandikidde mu luzungu lungi nnyo. Njagala mukkakane because ebyewaffe byogera luzungu byaze. So today I'm going to be using a lot of English. I want to share that I'm a learned person all the way from MOOC. Proud student, former student of MOOC. We are called the Makereriani. Anyways, welcome today. The topic of the show is going to be who should say it first. Ani and Chogede, I love you, I want to marry you, please be my babe, please be my boo. The question is, who should say it first? Ani and Chogede. I'm seated amidst young, talented, intelligent, beautiful, young ladies from Makerere University doing or pursuing different courses. Tugenda kwatogera oluzungu n'oluganda in a mixed chow. Berenga mukitegeera bulungi. So n'olwensonga eyo olunaku olwaleero I have Jingo, I have Shiba, I have Melissa, I have Hilda. Two new faces on the show today, and they're going to be telling us what's up, what it is, what it do. Anyways, welcome on the show. You know, just things okubanga otulaba. Wow, yeah, you know, I'm telling you. Drip. Kale tutandike ndeza side ya Melissa kubanga ye mpya ku show. Hi, how are you?
So I should say my names?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone who's watching me. I'm Yandisabye Divine Melissa. I'm pursuing a bachelor's in library and information science at courses, obviously, the Mighty College. So today's topic is who should propose? No.
Who should say it first?
Today's topic is about who should say it first. Like, who should say it first? Who should say I love you? Who should say I like you first? Thing is, I don't really think someone should say it first. Okay, I think a woman can say
before even we go so deep into it, do you think you should say it first as a woman?
Yeah, I can say it first.
Okay, I'm going to come back to you. Lord. Hilda this side.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
My name is Amanya Hilda from the Mighty College, the Mighty School, of course, the first school in MOOC.
We only have one school
of
in
Education.
the whole of MOOC.
I do history and Kiswahili, so I'm a mwalimu.
Sema. Mambo.
Safi.
Yuko poa. Sawa. Wow, katuwa tumabuza. Then the old members of the clan, let me start from this.
I'm not old.
Hi Jingo.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi everyone, I'm Jingo.
Jingo nyawe, the voice togenda chitukola. We know your real voice. Togenda.
Hello everyone, I'm Jingo. Yes, from the Mighty College, I said. Since
How is you?
I'm good.
Who should say it first?
Whoever feels that they have to say it first.
Kale, tugenda komawo. And then on my left, immediate left, right? Manye mikono gino jimbuza naye.
Nange sigo weka. Nange.
Kuwandika bulungi. Kale sibabuza kuba tulaba.
Hi. I'm Namugema. My Jingo like so much to call me Namugema. Ela she made me be proud of my name. Wadeda na lisiriagala. Yeah, I'm Namugemash Bakatumba.
Kale, last time on the show, I think we explained those names quite well, so that we just got them. So who do you think should say it first? Let's give people the preamble of the show. Who do you think should say it first? Asinga okwagala alina okikubaawo.
No, sometimes abasajja bamba baagala ate kalinga tebasobola kukyogera.
So gwe tekigaana vaayo no.
Galwaki mbasi mugamba. Tega omanyi Man Smith. From last time, man. Yeah.
Nkumatira.
Yeah.
Nkupenda sana.
Of course.
Melissa had an argument. What was your argument about our topic today? Because I don't know. Do you support it? Don't you support it?
What don't I support?
Like women, because may feel like there's been a lot of women proposing to men of lately.
Yeah, because they learned. Back then, we used to have men proposing to us. Okay, men saying, I love you first. You understand? But then time came, you know how you, us women, delay to say, I love you. And then the guy tells you, I love you. And then you can't really respond there and then that I love you. And then time passes, the guy loses interest. You understand? So it reached a time, men started losing interest. And then us, the women, lost our men that we really like. So we were forced to like someone we don't like. Understand? Forced to go in stuff we don't understand. Like you go for someone who, okay, you just go. Twala tugende kitegeera mala gagenda naye nga ate nera olindwa kuba nalwawo okumugamba naye kati ate singa namugamba nti nno mwagala twandibadde kati maybe tuli bafumbo naye the fact that samugamba kitegeera nalabanga ye ali mu muzannyo kitegeera alaba mubalira budde ye nasalawo akole ki akiveeko. So that person chills, I mean the man chills, and then you find yourself, you as the lady, nga guy ate womulaba ne some other chick. You feel together, nebikuluma. Naye nga it's all your fault. The fact that you didn't say I love you, the fact that you didn't say I like you. You understand?
So Goroza, it is very okay for a woman ogamba omusajja nti Smith nkulaba, I've been seeing you like at campus naye onkuba, I love you.
Kiyinza okumpa obuzibu ye. Naye kale ebintu biri mostly in Western culture. Naye mu culture yaffe ne ya Africa. Western culture ntegeeze bweru ye. Naye mu Africa, I mean mu culture yaffe ya wane Uganda. Not in fact kiri mu Uganda, tekiri owa Kenya. Because in Kenya people really propose. They even kneel down, leave alone saying I love you and stuff.
The girls.
Yes. They really propose. They really kneel and be like, man, will you marry me?
Noga woman.
Then the guy nagawa category Smith a guy chick gwe engeri joli omlenzo nga chikuswaza mne mugamba wenchi kale tuchusemu the kanza abafukamya na inga jiki yakulaze de chokola oba kitegeera nga yakulaze de chokola. Jingo
seems not to agree with you on the other hand. Jingo, something is burning up in here. I can feel it.
I've only listened.
No,
because
it looks
the
like
argument is right. Yeah.
So for you, what do you think?
I think everyone has a right to take the chance.
Really?
Yeah, everyone has a right, because if I love you and I'm okay with the fact that I love you and I'm not ashamed of loving you, then I have a right to kneel before you. Okay, not necessarily kneeling, right? But you do whatever you feel is right, and you ask out that person. Actually, abamu abasajja, you take long to respond. Kati olusimba nkwade newe forward. Noberawo at times katinga gwe Smith. Nogano proposinga omwana nyizo kwa proposinga Hilda. Nangana noberawo you rotate. So when Hilda comes and proposes to you, or she says she loves you before you do that, she gives you courage to approach her. And you ask her out because why not sure yes.
So the other fear of me being rejected. So that's why
yeah, you're always afraid of being rejected. But mwagala feel I'm feeling. Ogenda cafe java zotegeke ka propose ko olete shiba kutululira kule kwa.
Nebimuli byabiko. What do you think? What's your take on this? Who should say it first? Who should say, will you marry me first? Or I love you? Like, who do you think should say it first?
Okay, to me, I think a girl is not supposed to go to a boy. I'm gambe gundi, I like you or what? Because some boys, ukuite kubera arrogant. oba nkuyite kubeera proud, I don't know, but some boys take it this way mbu omumanyidde, okitegedde, ne bw'aba awulira akwagala because he's arrogant, he feels lwaki Kahilda kaba kaŋŋamba kanjagala, oba okitegedde, n'agenda n'akwogerako and you feel bad. Kale some boys take it so like not so good. They look at it as undermining you. Okujja n'omugamba Smith omanyi nkwagala. Ne bw'oba owulira onjagala naye owulira kikuswaziza. Owulira ensonyi ya?
Gwe omuwala okujja n'okiŋŋamba.
Owulira ensonyi n'owulira nga you're feeling small. Omulenzi omuwala okujja n'agamba.
Oh, the other way around, I would feel more proud.
Nebwokkiriza osobola okujja n'omusaamu amaaso kitegeera nebwokkiriza n'ogamba let me accept and I be nebwokkiriza n'ogamba let me be with her nebwogamba kanzikiriza mbeere naye naye oba omuyisaamu amaaso.
Okwana is dating, right?
Yeah, because
when I tell you I love you basi kukwanyi. Because dating is a process.
No, because that's where it starts from.
No, we can date and dating is olaba kati nyinza okusanga like Smith then we start dating. Then within the dating process,
do you start dating by just like that?
Listen. I want maybe the guy will tell you I like you, not I love you. I like you. I liking and loving is a different thing. True. I can tell you I like you, then you start dating there and then maybe through that dating process the person develops feelings. You understand? So what I'm trying to bring up. You said, I've even forgotten. I always forget.
I know, yeah.
Some boys are arrogant. You can't tell them, but you like them. You can't. You can't even tell him and he slaps you.
Who should say first? Who should say it first?
No, not that.
The
reason as to why I had brought that up. The reason as to why
my argument was, like, we both sit up. Like, you tell me, I would feel more proud of you telling me.
And I think that's the problem with us this generation. Yes. Just someone saying I love you about yakwanya. That's not okwana. That is
what
just
is okwana to you?
Okwana is dating. Dating. Okay, is okwana dating?
No.
Then courtship is what? Because there's so many terminologies here these guys are bringing in and they're really messing up my mind.
And what is okwana in English? I thought okwana in
English.
No,
it's vibing.
Vibing.
Okay, we do that. It's a slang, vibing.
It's vibing.
That involves you approaching someone and laying out your strategies.
Kati ndibuza yeyo gundi.
That is what we are talking about.
And that only takes one day. Is the process that leads you to
I think it is the probation time. The time people may spend together.
Probation
before
confirmation.
So we always mistake dating. Dating is a difficult thing. Okay,
no,
to me, I thought dating is a process. Kalinga sina kugamba baby I love you. Naye kalinga nkwagala munda muri eriye. Naye kalinga first listen. So I thought, okay, that's what I thought. I thought dating, your process, you meet them, then you go out, and be like, baby, never like, never kogera bulungi kigambo I love you. Tana chitu sana inga, chimai na inga, I give. That is dating. That is what I know as dating.
That is what you think is dating.
I love you first. It's okay. Naye man, echo mu proposing. Thank you. Kacho laba like a friend, man. Over the Charlie when you know like you start feeling like getting some feelings. Ngolaba, he's always there. Man, also mugamba I love you, but so actually gamba maso but I can text new gamba man wallahi nkwagala. Naye chesa so akola I cannot propose. I swear I can't.
You can't be like Umar. Would you marry me?
I swear I can't in a way bandi.
No. Let me tell you the best way to do this. You don't tell them, you don't come in front of him and you tell him, Gund, I like you. Oh, Smith, I like you, I love you. No, actions speak. You do something.
But those actions.
Let me tell you, Hilda.
But you don't.
I don't want to use this vocabulary, but permit me to. Most men are dense.
Thank you.
Yes. They won't
They are slow. Don't say dense. Dense is a big word.
Actions. You come and clean the
house. Maybe they're just
house.
pretending to be dense, and maybe they're looking for something in that, but they are not dense.
Some people do
we are
that.
not dense.
Let me rule out
Maybe
why.
slow.
Okay, they are slow.
Yeah, maybe.
naye era ekyo kinyiiza n'enkola obuntu wange bw'ona omanya akasente k'ekikazi n'ogula obukoko you bought the bushats men are expensive by the way
Yes, you look
n'ogula
for
akasaati ogenza okunoonya engatto biki
kwesibyeko
No.
omukozi bw'ona natandika thank you bestie
Because that's what you've taught us.
and they even have
Melissa, you get my point.
they even have
That's what you've taught us.
nakunyumiza nakwanya ekiwala
You
then
know?
you start looking at him like this noga mukwano nena bina byenkoze
yamwe.
Weebale nnyo Melissa.
Guy aba yajja dda nakulaga nti akwagala. Then when he loses interest at times, then you start showing. Then you start bringing gifts. But the guy has already lost interest.
Sweet,
And the fact
so
that I'm a girl, now I'm arguing with fellow girls, it's going to be a problem.
No, I'm here to support you. Don't worry. I'm here. We are here.
Come on.
okay we're talking about someone
Mm.
with whom you have not been friends, but you have just started building up a relationship. I meet Smith, I start gifting him because I'm like,
But do you think it's possible? Mu Uganda wanino wale chirabye wasa wale
not.
chirabye
It's
wa
not.
nene jagala amami kino
ababikoze
kino
bonna
chigidi
they are
chengamba
friends.
ne
Don't you know
I've
that?
met Smith kati Smith yo mulabi
So
so
you
chengeza ko gamba Smith kale
No, it's okay.
ekyo ne chitawo then I started gifting Smith just because I've met Smith baby abitera tukawo and then I give you gifts.
No,
I give you gifts.
No. Listen.
Maybe when I'm loaded.
There
failed
is-
to respond.
But
We're talking
me,
about
I think-
the slow guy.
Mm.
You text hi, hello.
That's possible. I thought your meaning I've met someone
Hi,
like how I've met
text
Smith.
Mm.
So you grow comfortable with this person, but remember at the back of your mind you like this person.
So
you
it's
like- so you like-
immediately.
Engeri gy'aluddewo
ekyo kye tugamba
kandabe.
Eda.
So
Naye
you begin
otolusi.
trying out with your gifts you bring.
Okay.
Nede naye atolusi.
Melissa, tobeeranga ka
Neda soko owulirize. No, I don't crush. I don't crush.
You has something to
Me,
say.
I had a suggestion.
Mm.
Nti omuwala bw'aba ayagala kutandika kuwa mulenzi bulabo oba gene mugamba maybe I like you. You should first see those green lights from the girl.
Thank you so
First.
much.
So that tebakuswaza at the end of it.
Exactly.
Because it usually ends so bad.
Kati olaba ngawo kyogambye muno you start
someone
gifting
after
gundi
falling
kati
for the
Smith.
Mm.
Oyinza oba giftinga Smith nga sibi aliko nga alina omulala. Okitegeera.
I'll
Nga
do my
omugiftinga biki?
Because you're not boy.
A guy is different from a chick.
Tebabba mu kifulukwa. Nagamba kano kajingo kange ngenda kasipendingako emitolo gyange 3.
Nagamba finally gyali naye nze kamulage.
Kati gwe muwala n'osalawo tikandaga omulenzi.
These guys come talking to us about like their relationships are fake. Nagamba eri malayo bumazima. And they make us feel comfortable with them.
But you see,
No,
that is,
do they make you feel comfortable with them? Guy, you have someone.
Even
Do
married
they?
men olaba banasajja bano abafumbo bano abatu approaching ayinza n'okugamba nze omukazi wange ntwalayo naye mukwano
Tamanyi kufumba.
Olaba mukimanyi n'okimanya. Can you imagine? Mukimanyi nabe mu mitima kati
What I don't want you
wakimukiriza.
guys to forget as ladies, what I've seen is, first of all, men have learned the hard way. 2 is, us men, we make our intentions clear right from the start.
Yeah.
Most of us, most of men, sichogera lwakwa muno I do, because me, I don't really. But what I'm saying is, most of my friends make their intentions clear. Asanza Chimelisa, Asanza Chishiba, Jingo, Hilda, first sight, either here mode, either I'm Sabidewe number, either I'm Wanye, you're beautiful, you know, you're intelligent, something. Then after, atandika maybe omutextinga. But women, nedda listen, nga tenagenda kucha intentions, whatever the intentions can be, because nammwe ennaku zino mwagala okulyamu. Ogamba umala oyo njagala mulyamu. Jingo nimbye. Tokiwulira.
Sikiwulira.
The guilt on your face. Shows that.
I don't buy that.
No, anti kachigamba muno. Make your intentions. Melissa was saying, make your intentions clear right away. Ngamba Smith, I like you.
I don't buy that.
Then suffer the
Try to remember
consequences.
Hilda said
We are in a modern world. In
Have
a
you
modern
used
world
the
where a girl
actions?
can say I love you.
What
You
if I
understand?
can't personally?
Then you should find a way of showing the guy that you like him.
These are the gifts I'm offering.
But it's taking long, like forever to give me gifts.
But before giving the gift,
Guy,
you should
I
find
always
out
have-
that the guy in a chick wobanga ali into
So
a
what?
relationship that is deep.
kumalirako stress.
Relationship najja nangamba nti I don't like that chick, I'm only wasting
Nga
time on her,
byakugamba.
I'm looking for someone.
Kati akugambye
Why do you
byonna
take
ebyo
long to
ng'aligamba
respond?
abigambye you. Aligamba gossiping about a fellow chick. You. Kati, what do you expect from that guy? Obviously, he's going to also gossip about you with some other guy.
The question
Which
is,
is okay.
Shiba,
It's
who
not okay.
should say it first? Do you feel a woman should say, look Smith, look Dude, look Umar, look Bilbao, you know what?
No.
I like you.
The
I
fact-
don't only
okay.
like you, I
Smith
love
don't
you. Okay, no, because I love you comes a little bit later.
Yeah.
Okay, say I have feelings like nina feelings zonga for to be ogera. Eh? Because these days is the change about.
It's normal. Omukazi ne wachogela, it's okay. N'aba musajja, it's okay.
Shiba nyagala osalewo gyogwa sagala otubuze.
Luli wagaji.
Luli wagaji. Do you think we should say it first?
Oh my God, I think the boy should.
Why? Wabanga go so say Olaiki Smith we just ku campus
Olaba, it looks weird and awkward. For real.
Okay, tubemwe we are looking weird.
And walai kale nsonga za mutima nange era nsobola okugamba nti man walai Smith nkwagala naye man kiswazi.
Otandika we bati. Omanyi
Naye kasamba njogedde ekinji ku mutima kati gwama.
naye nga fe abakyeteekamu mbu it's weird. Fe abakyeteekamu. Kati
but Smith
the world
bakigamba,
is
is it
getting
okay?
modern
Yeah.
every time.
Melissa, you're saying?
What I'm saying,
Yeah.
the world is getting modernized every time. We are trying to adopt a Western culture, which we are not. You understand? By the way, Basajja episode ebyo, they used to tell themselves, I like you. Ngamukazi yachogedde. Okay, you people, I don't know whether you used to study that, but no, we used to study
Mukayembe.
history.
No, like, no,
I don't know. You people do
cultures, eh?
education,
I am a
but
Bagaana.
we used to do some bit of. I used to do divinity, so we used to always talk to our the teachers. I was going to call them lecturers. We used to talk to our teachers, and we used to argue about certain stuff like those. We used to ask, Basajja fe bali bakola kino ne kino. Then some teacher of ours told us, eddedda wakafe oba byatandikira mu gundi kyawo mu fezi kyokubera nga kati abawala balisha ogamba gayi nti no amwagala kitegeera naye nga tedda nga it's okay nga tebakirabamu na gundi ng'omukazi nga bo bajjukira bo benye bo nga bajajja fe nga be bafunira abaana baabwe baki abakyala abasajja naye ate oluusi omwana omuwala waba yayagadde omulenzi asobola ogenda n'amugamba nze nakwagadde mba nakwagadde njagala ogambe bazadde bo ekintu kikwesha kigwe
Kwata wano awo nkwagadde like the way we tell our friends jingo sicho
ekyo kirimu ffe ate temunalabayo omukazi akikoze abamotivatinga
abakazi bakikoze naye nze kababulire baana mmwe abakazi tulina emitima minafu. These guys have stone hearts. Ati nze jingo wa Katonda. I'm going to bring all my love from wherever I brought it from. I come nkuba nenkulira na jempise nzagamba Smith nkwagala Smith bino beba bakolera mu proposals zammwe ne bansuulira ebimuli okimanya I can become depressed for over a year. I bet you guys can recollect yourself. No nakwenkeera n'ofunayo omulala eyakulabidde ku TikTok nti bakutrashize n'ebimuli naye nze abasajja bwe banandaba nti bamulesewo they will begin questioning lwaki yamulesewo era lwaki yamuganye. However beautiful you will be, everyone will be questioning what is the secret behind her.
But I think it goes back to the saying that you used to go do the right thing at the right time
in the right place.
In the right
you
place.
can never go and propose
because
to a guy
yes
nga you're not sure.
in
At
a
times you feel
public
like you're
place
sure, but I think
No,
in
let
a
me
public
ask you.
place, exactly, and you're a chick.
And let me ask you, abasajja tebabikola in a public place.
Oli musajja.
No,
Musajja sigala
auntie,
musajja.
Olaba
auntie
jovya
abasajja
katika let me tell you okumanya nga abasajja I'm sorry to say it temutegeera olaba omukolera delivery y'emmere ne yeekweka naga mugenda omugambe siriyo
Omusajja.
Simu ababikola.
abakazi
Mu ababikola. Oh, fa ababikola. Sorry, fa ababikola. Oh my God, fa ababikola ebyo.
because
people say out of the blue nenkyogera nze wallahi nakirabako I was in Mutasa
Pozinga maybe chick Ali. I'm sorry to say this. Chick Ali ugly. Oh. Maybe the guy is not happy about the chick. Chick
because all the why actually I brought up this
Melissa,
topic
listen,
is because
this is not about public, but however much you reject me know tunaba mu room aba nga tewali awulira.
bamanyi
I
obatuuza
will
wansi
retain
kati
that
olaba
at
mukwano
heart.
kino kyokoza ino kikola
Abasajja temumanyi
Kubanga people have
osirika.
not had nti nno
Ogenda
omusajja
kuŋŋaanira
yafunirwa
in the-
kumugaana
ogenda
mubuuli
kuŋŋaanira
abawala muri
backstage,
side yammwe
ogenda
naye nga
kuŋŋaanira
bajja bafa
backstage,
balwala
ogenda
lamonia
atandikira kugwasanze wabwe.
n'abana
olaba
balwala
Basajja olaba
lamonia
nyinza okugamba I love you like nga nkweleza message like Umar chawala ati de chikazi laba
Namwe mubitukola. Lo, yo, teri muntu asinga ulira. No katika meko in this modern era. Abasajja tuli more secretive okusinga abakazi.
No way.
Ate katika nkubu.
Melissa tells them.
bakazi
There is no way.
keep quiet
Me, I can
and even the
fucking-
guys chokora they have what they call bro code
Yes.
bro code
No.
bakubye naye ate olusi olaba ayinza okubeera nekyaliwe kati ngamba oli yekyaliwe ali behind the scenes sorry ali behind
No,
the
it's
scenes
okay, Umar.
Guy ali-
Bamumanyi.
Omar ali behind the scenes nga kyaliwe ekintu kiyinza okubasigala mu babiri naye abakazi
akatiza omukazi
kigenda
wendagira
kati right now simanyi nawe bitambula naye wano tewali muntu naye bituuka simanyi
abakazi wetweragira nga bampadde something expensive of course inogamba gwe babe sajja mpadde 14 Pro Max ninolaga naye
Bakugaana kizibu okutuula.
kizibu okutuula kikunyiga nga ne bw'otambula obanga buli omu abaddewo n'alaba.
Azamani kabagambe ekintu kimwe fa abasajja. Wetuyogerera ebintu ebyo nga batuganye. Ontegede bunyo? Like let's say I've come to Jingo, bulijjo mwagala bichi have taken us somewhere. Mugambye ebigambo mbwe you know what Jingo I think we should do ABCD me and you I think we match. Ngawe manye ebigambo ntokomosa omugambo gwange gwonna. All of a sudden Jingo ayinza okugamba Smith ono mbadde mmanyi nata kingambira wa. But for us as men we have that sixth sense. Nja kulaba gundi ontegere reaction integere. So Jingo goes back to our hostel, our room, wherever, our house, apartment. I could text her Smith, you know, I think it won't work out. That's when I walk to Umar. Kwa Umar ajja kulanga embeera zange as a bro as zikyuse. But women gwe kangeze ongambye. First of all nze I'm so oba empathy oba nchite empathy oba sympathy one of the two.
Empathy is kubeera nga you
I'll
can read
put
someone
yes yourself
then
in someone's
sympathy
situation.
is
Kati fa abasajja tulina sympathy. Abakazi mulina empathy. You tend to put yourselves in our feet nti I understand you. Women tubakwatibwako ennaku. That's why osanga Shiba bagenda kukyawa Umar agenda kukyanga nze kyaliwe malirize ng'ennaku nkukwatibwako ennaku. So kati nze ogenda kuŋŋamba Smith I love you that proposing ngenda kukwatibwako ennaku. I might end up falling in love during that process of kukwatibwa ennaku.
Exactly. It
Omukazi-
always happens.
Thank you. Omukazi wagambira nti no. Oshegede kwane no ngamba nedda. In most cases kiba kigaali.
Ate oluusi omusajja kasita omuwala kasita agenda na proposing to a guy ne waba bali tamwagala
That sympathy will come
ayina
out.
engeri gy'atandika omwagalamu ate namwagala ekisukka
Oshegede
ati
bunyo.
mwabalabi bambi ne mutandika okugamba kale no ate jukira abawala nedda abawala jukira beyogerako agenda neyogerako kati mukweyogerako ate ne bategeere n'engeri gye yakola ki oluusi you can propose to a guy and no one knows. I mean, you can tell a guy I like you, no one knows, but it's up to you. Can spread the word. Kati when you spread the word, obviously people will know.
Genda maso, what is stopping you?
Umar ajja kukwatibwako ennaka akwagale.
Mugambe Umar lunze bulijjo nkulaba oyambala ebikooti byo n'opale byo n'ezi Jordan zo.
Huyo yamusabye ne Jordan wane ya pink.
Aha, kitandikirawo.
Bakagamba otulaze example.
So let's say you guys have been dating for some time because now we're discussing the initial part one olabe Melissa olabe Hilda Jingo Shiba you know you're just starting so mugayo mugambye kai tugambe akiliza Shiba proposing the guy tugamba akiliza then wakale guy akwanya akiliza who should go on the knee first
on the knee okay kati like nowadays these niggas
have taken some time to get that
like these niggas babe kwa secha sente biti so like if I have my money I swear I can set up everything nija ne kutukia ne ugamba manyi man here is the ring obo wila toina zigula impeta chikozera mkwano do it saba cause man chinza kalo chiswaza
naye mkwano
let me
I'll tell you after.
No,
First
by the
promise me.
no,
Let's
Melissa,
make that pinky promise.
I think I suggest you don't apologize.
no okay no like you know how men feel small. Okay, he may feel small. So in the start, as you're going to give him the ring, like how Shiba said, oyagala okole everything, you organize everything, then maybe you give him a ring. So that, because it's a man supposed to kneel down. Yeah. Okay, though in Western culture, women kneel. Some women, I don't know, but a man is supposed to kneel. Kuba chize chirabikanga. Naye ate omwana waba ayagala kale mumanyi okwekwasa. Manyo kwa sabia sente abade mutufu nyonyo mu sente tewali ndikuyiba chokanga te mubade mudatinga for 6 years and you're not getting married to that chick na ulianga te ya ina sente bino bemdatinga ba chick girl ba chick okuva mu rich families yina sala unatesa ni bazadde be then they give him. Oh my God, I'm so sorry for changing sides. May have to be on every side. Kati na kuwa ring naye okujimuwa asooka bambi kola ki kugamba bambi sobiza tutogenda kunyiga kino kyengenda okukola sobiza nti
you don't give him the ring, you walk to the shop, to the whatever, and then after discussing everything, because I
can even tell my friends.
No mlenzi, yeah? I mean, TikTok. You can do something and put a ring inside. Then you give it to the guy. Yeah. Then guy yachitegera waba ina magezi. Ajachitegera waba so clicking up first. You know you guys take long to load. So I want you guys to learn how to load. When I give you a ring, I want you to kneel down. I'm not doing anything. It's not my fault that I'm giving you the ring. I want you to learn how to load. That's why you take long to
signs and wonders,
yes.
right?
You don't even read any.
I come to you. I even tell my friends, man, no Basajja for 2 good years. I even tell my friends, you act like as if it's a surprise. Love, or like I call you love. I love you. Be like, I love you too. Then I give you my then I give you my cut. I first sweet talk you.
I wish I had the boys on the panel, because these guys are mumvuga speed, but they're quite catching up.
I first sweet talk you, then name box my honey. This. I think it's the right time
for us to do it.
Yeah.
Why don't we first talk about it before even we come to the public? Because I think
talk about
but you just
to shut
you
the embarrassment.
For 2 years. I've been with you
in
for
private.
2 years.
I'm private. But Shiba, what you think you mean? I can't get money and marry you on myself. You are insulting
and then all the
me.
fault
I think chijanga mumaze kutege, like you understand your be and your be understands the boo.
What is love?
Ah man,
Love is understanding the person.
Defining, everyone defines love in their own way.
Understanding is what?
best friend
Your bestie can be your bestie. You had something. You are saying love is patient and what?
Love is being understanding and patient.
But understanding has a limit. I'm not going to understand you for 20 years.
Yes, that's
once
true.
you're under your roof,
you can know, but you can cohabitate.
And be
People
like,
are getting married at old ages.
Introduction.
That's cohabitation. You can do all that. Listen, you can. Remember, weddings are so expensive.
They invite me for your wedding. They invite me for Shiba's wedding. They invite me for Hilda's wedding.
So long as the parents know. If the parents know, if your parents really know that you guys are a thing and you're really staying under your boy's roof, I don't think it's a big deal. Yeah, weddings are so expensive. So you want a partner because Shiba, you want a perfect wedding, right? Or buy you want a small thing.
If I have my money to cater for a perfect wedding,
sit your boot down.
No, listen. No, imagine you don't have the money.
Like all of you say.
Jingo, you don't have money. Jingo toina sente. Omusajja talina sente. Naye abazadde bamwe baleka bakimanyiiko. Ne bakukiriza ogende oberewa w'omusajja. Linda katini ogendeko w'omusajja. Obeere w'omusajja. Naye nga bakimanyi bambi you cohabitate, it's cohabitation. So you stay at your man's. Ne mwezimba. Then later on, people are really getting married. Nze ndaba babita batya ku Power Magic. Ndaba our perfect wedding. You really see omuntu nga getting ya wedding nga mukulu naye nga basooka kola ki
kola sente kwezimba
nitindira kati gwe nenda oyina emyaka 22 ogenda ku
to be frank.
Yes.
We have been talking about generation evolution. Njagala fena tuli bawala. People were actually the right statement is people were getting married at old ages. Nenda kuzino buli mwana agenda omala byakola nga yagala kusettolinga dia. Kati wamala okubeera so patient and
agamba buli omu.
Most of them
Listen, wamala okubeera patient for all that long. Ntudde for 5 years. Okwana wange wana wawasiza bwesinkanye mu myezi 3 mwaka gumbe wawasiza. Nze ntulidde emyaka 5 ne wabaawo gaaya ajja na propose nga nakola buli kimu nalenga strategy biki nangamba mu wiki 2 nkuwasa.
bye bitusula mu buzibu
Ngogenda.
Nengo mbizibu but it was
bye bitusula mu buzibu. No, the thing is wembeera ne guy ne twemanya mu cohabitation muloza abazadde baffe omukiraba nti abazadde abamu right now tebafumbirwa back then. They are getting married right now. Your person, you think they're doing anniversary, but they are really getting married.
Melissa.
You people, no, it's not generation evolution, but it's the thing. We need to know ourselves. Abana tulifumbira nga tulina emyaka 22. I mean, 22.
Kanzonzo.
Why not 22 years? What are you going to do? You're going to reach there, omusajja akubonyabonye odukeyo. And then you get married to some other person.
Melissa, just a minute. Hilda, you were saying?
Like you people saying, love is understanding. You have to sit down and be like,
What are you
to
going to
my
understand in 1
campus,
year?
let's work. You commit yourself and be like, let's make this year for introduction and we save for next year, every for wedding. Like, more
What if
wedding.
things don't work out? Hilda, what if things don't work out?
Nenga nkuleka
Kati kutwala bamuno bagenda kutaminga something else owasa introduction ewako tutemeka
abasiraamu ze watatanga tovaayo ng'omusajja akkiriza kasaba bawona ne bakutwala mu mateeka.
By the other thing is, you guys, what you're not looking at, the other side is, you people these days love lavish stuff. Mwagala proposal ebere ku Serena oba ku 5-star or 3-star whatever hotel
newebeera ku mmezo wabanga wanyirira dynasty kasanga batta.
So kati gayi bambi naye muli ale nkofuna mufye nagamba nina okunoonya akakadde oba bubiri kyokka ate akakadde akafunye naye bumalu akakadde akafunye ate rent naye bakola ki bamuyita ontegere nnyo. So nagamba you know what, njagala proposinga naye akasente tekanaja. The minute a guy comes out naga njagala proposinga naye akasente that means ayina picture ready gye wamudrawingira gyalaba nti wayogera manyi bakazi byane mwogera ebintu naye nga mubyogera indirectly naye baneguna proposing banaye ku Serena
naye nga
kamukuba kati gayi naye muli natanga njagala proposinga naye mukazi wekasi ayogera ku Serena ayogera ku Africana ompulira kyegamba eyo fia naye the minute the guy gyagambira muno njagala proposinga naye bulijjo ine ekifaananyi ky'omusiga kitomugamba just be, you know what, nzesanga ku street nkolera propose
sajagala mu park
naye bulijjo byonyumya anti mu mbozi bulijjo gyonyumya temuli amuko ku propose ya mu park
onyumya kuza mikwano gye muganyi wagipropozere ku Serena.
Girls, we have one problem. Oba oyagala maybe like nga bwe nina shiba nono mukono wa n'oyo n'ogamba mbu Shiba bampropozingidde ku Serena. Mine should also be a Serena.
No! Toyina kulaba mikwano. Gyogenda kusuula mu buzibu.
N'omanya nti abaffe esente zaffe tulina ntono ne bwankolera mu paaka.
Naye tudde neko ne kusaidia abasajja.
Kumi ogenze mingi tugende kwena esatu kwenda kusoma temukyagisuka mudduka. How many can understand 4 years now these days? Girls
abali ba understanding nga bemyaka batata baffe kubanga right bazadde mi Shiba waliyo parents abagetinze married kati nene my friend in class in fact it's the auntie aina abana bakulu bansinga they have just gotten married. They knew them betegera kati bewasiza bagenda sigala married bagenda sigala mu relationship ya married gundi bagenda beeramu tebagenda vaamu naye kati mwe mugenda ko wasanga mufune zi divorce bali bategedde ennaku y'omusajja buli kimu akitegedde
kyembadde ngamba kitegedde olaba bino ebintu byetaaga otegeera muno you just need to understand the other person nomanya esente
togwirana tomala gagenda because my friend got married
nangamba Hilda will you marry me nzikiriza kuba zo sente zetuyina zesobodde ekyo kyetugamba you just need to understand the other person
nene hata yobele emyaka 10 kanide
tejina beera myaka mingi naye you can chochulya mikwano jo for example if a guy found you at 22 it's okay you can still you can give birth to a kid maybe even a second one.
What?
No, listen. 22 because kids are getting married at 20.
Yeah, true.
20. So, for example, you have a friend, like your friends have gotten married at 20. You can you get a guy, you really like yourselves, 22. And then I was there when you kids am game it can be pushed. Nemzala no mwana omo oba no kubiri. Then you be patient. If the paka guy wakola chi already abachina mbirobozo naye kalinga yagala kolere that massive thing. You will live to what? To remember.
Melissa, somehow I disagree with you because some men bomzalira omwana asose nomzalira n'owokubiri babyerabira.
Okimanyi bana abantu baagala nnyo gundi. Kati gwe tulaba nti ne batata baffe right now bali bagamba nabo bali bakyogera ngoyo wakyogedde. First listen, they used to but now ogera ngoyo kyayogedde muno. Beerabira era bamama basinga baba babivuako dda naye omusajja akukuba surprise ogenda olaba atakubye ekiddala ky'embaga
nze ngamba if it's by mistake nemuzala omwana asoose kale next time kale muzibuka amaaso mugambe tujja kwekuuma
nanti kati oluusi oba oyagala babebi babiri beba peg boy
owulira ba peg boy noonya fiizi z'abaana abaana okulya abalina okwambala
Iganga you go propose tell me let's get married.
Mulinde ngagenda kusoma mu bank asasula school fees on proposing ira.
Mugamba manyi baby.
Twewase.
Tugende
lwaki olindo genda ku baana kubange naku zino ulira lwaki ogenda ku lwaki mulinde ku stage y'abaana nga owulira bulijjo. Let me tell you something by the way. Emboozi zammwe ze munyumya even during courtship zireetera abasajja okudirayinga proposing you end up proposing. No, listen. Let me tell you there is this thing of you women these days okwogera ku bintu ku life even if you can't even afford it. Mutegeeyo nnyo mubeereyo mu kiboozibozi kyammwe ne munyumya ekiboozi kati oveeyo mu kiboozibozi kyo noyagala bambi because your guy is like Miss Smith quiet guy abeera wabami ne muno ekyo nga tayogera
you Smith
yes
but there's a good example na
yes Miss Smith no yaula the two Smith the Smith that is in love and the Smith that is friends with Melissa. The Smith that is friends with Melissa will obviously chat with the Smith that is in love is always a quiet guy. So I'm knowing about that guy. So that guy Smith is quiet talina nnyo bigambo byakogera ayina ensonyi naye gwe bulujja omunyumiza ku kiboozi omunyumiza about Hilda bamutute out ku Serena naye bambi Smith mu mind agenda nk'okubefanya gaye esize mba wakutwala girlfriend wange out nakunoonya akasente kangi kamutwala ku ki
kadala aliko noonya akasente
then nyumya emboozi
nanti kati nyumya emboozi y'ekikola emboozi yo guyeeretera omusajja okulowooza
okumunyumiza nogamba oh Melissa amutute ku Serena naye laita omugambe it's okay with me ontwale wonna naye yes omale okitereeza
but why should you tell him stuff about expensive places
nenga tasana
kugenda kwata akasente kamwe nga mwakava ku campus waka tuition okaproposingiremu omusajja mu kifo gwe kyoyagala nanti ngamba ebintu tugenda bidako wangira waliwo bakuba empi nga bebe proposing gye bali
omusajja tewetaaga mufukamirira mbu proposing because men don't always wear rings for engagement. You can sit on dinner date and tell a guy we should get married, I want you to marry me.
Full stop. Will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
Actually,
you don't need to wear rings. Then it's up to him. At times, when you tell a guy, will you marry me? He will later on have to find a way of getting you a ring. Ye mwenyine achidemu. Will you marry me? Akuambaze mpeta.
But emboozi eno gye munyumya.
That can be far china mu 20 no our age. I mean, society je tulimu. For tuchina micho na inga tese chiriyo. For just chiri, it's in our heads.
Yes, because that's what That's what you've wanted.
Ngate tokoze
Orange,
la
and I can't afford it right now. And you're not seeing my vision.
Kati ochimanyi omukazi asobola okujja n'agamba Smith, I'm going to cover the wedding, only to provoke you to reject it, so that you act like a man.
What if I can't afford it at that very moment, but you can? Listen to
Ate
me.
oluusi omukazi wateekamu mu wedding. Olaba omukazi wateekamu. Oluusi omukazi wateekamu mu wedding. Guy agitwala kitegedde. Guy akitwala nga gwe bawoze. So he makes bwe mumala mwakamala we bati wedding. Bambi he finds every way, everything, every possible way to replace. Akuwadde. Simanyi. He does everything.
By the way, the other way around.
These youths of our age.
That's the problem with us. We think, but we have not seen. We think
for us.
we think for these men. We think like Tulo was about these guys, but between them about these people. Tell him Basajja mtuufu. And kale buli mulenzi cheatinga. Je bali banji.
Rumor.
Tell him Basajja mutuufu.
Cholo what? That's you. And let me tell you something. It's propaganda. People are spreading propaganda. So propaganda is in your head.
Kizibu kyange ne manya nti kino kizibu kyange. Kisaza mweno ango. Nenteterereza ne teri Basajja mutuufu.
We mulowooza temunnabalaba.
Basajja ne waba akomayo wakasaawe munga muva mwenna ku mulimu. Like nga muva mwenene wakamvosa wemba isawe mwabila wakamelisa. Okay, tell him Basajja.
Sagala mu diverting topic ene, that topic will be for another day. Who is right, who is not. The topic is tugenda okuddamu okola, but today the topic is who should say it first, and why is it that these days, why is it rampant that girls these days are proposing first?
Because you're slow.
No, even the age factor, by the way.
Yeah. Oluusi omuwala bamukulu.
These days, age is just a number, by the way. Bana balenzi ngena nempasa katoka. Nga trust me, ukatulira bukati otula notula kama.
Nga ba sugar mommy.
Nga sugar mommy, there is no sugar mommy that proposes.
No, I mean, I'm okay. Obviously, I consider myself. I be considering myself. Hey, do you watch TikTok? Do you watch TikTok?
Yes, but I'm saying
you should be knowing this thing.
No, I know, but what I'm saying
how
is, okay,
women
who's a sugar mommy to you?
Okay, I feel like a sugar mommy is someone who can give birth to me. Okay, to you,
there is no
to
lady
you.
that can give birth to me at my age or your age that can go propose to Umar. Trust me, I haven't seen that. What they do is listen, but not to be
Nejjajja yazala kitange. Again, na proposing ira.
Basajja, it's very easy. I'm talking about women proposing to men because that is the other part of the topic. Sugar mommy kyakola ennyo is to rent you an apartment, put you there, but munajja mu public.
Naye obuzibu tukitegera waliwo bashuga mami bambi abatalina basajja kyentegeeza nga yagala omufumbire naye nga
tunoonya abaproposinga
ng'akwagadde naye nga gye bali okkiriza gye bali.
Ne kyakola those sugar mummies what they do is they talk. Listen,
naye wano mu Uganda
sugar mummies kyebakola, they talk to you behind the doors. They be like, I'm going to finance the wedding, the proposal, the kuchara, and then you do it. But my point is you, Melissa, walking up to Smith, someone comes and kneels down and says, Smith, you know what? I've been in love with you for a year, 2 years down the road.
And they kneel.
Okay.
You mean kneeling?
Okay. Yes, some do,
no,
some stand.
Okay,
Nagamba Smith, will you marry me?
No, they can only do that. About there with you for some time. Nala bantino gayo ni wenchimugamba anabera cha wenchimugamba mu cameras. Anabera cha.
Say it like what to just express their love. Ngakaya abada agenda chikola, but I choose. My love for this guy.
Naye ate kikolebwa bano nga maze kulabaye gunaberutya muzekati waliwo bino ngenda kugamba Simiri ankuba empi.
Sisobola gamba musajja will you marry me?
I will never say that.
Sisobola.
If I really love you then I can.
I can't.
No, I
don't want to lose you.
I can't. I know.
You're going to go find someone else.
Sisobola nze. What I can do.
You know.
This is one of the reasons.
You know, you can run mad.
You people what I can do. Kwe kugula empetanga when agambye at first. Nenjireta mu
Always
office.
propose about a ring.
Why you have a lot of single
Ring,
mothers.
yes.
I think you can. I want you. I be like Shiba, you're a man. I'm banange wano tuli fighting bichi. Yeah. Just in kola example. Shiba oli mule.
Akolera kunze. Engeri gye waliwo omusajja. Akolera kunze.
Smith, sagala kusu. Sagala ntandika nebina ebigambo wammanga.
Tuweemu ebibyo.
Alaba kati. Smith. sagala bino betubiyise
njagala ekintu kino kyogere ng'ewandikikoze mu byadda.
naye ng'olabagizo
I don't know what else to but you're just giving an example to someone that is there. Maybe this show might encourage some lady out there. Tugamba musajja gwe ayagala ennyo. Onteka nnyo? Maybe it can. So if it were you,
if we are in cameras, like for example, Katinga go only presenter, then they tell you someone has come with a surprise.
They don't even tell you. Surprise is surprise.
Budget a bucket of flowers.
Yes.
Banquet. Nzijana ebimuli byange. Nyizo bile kebali. Then I come and be like, I hold your hand. Be like, you know what, Smith? I really want to tell you something. This has been going on for a while. And I might not
have this somehow.
So so you know, Smith, this has been going on for a while. I really wanted to tell you this. Yeah, though it has been hard for you, but I've been willing and I've been wanting to tell you this. Smith, will you marry me? I don't know. I feel like it's big. I feel like you're going to feel bad, but I really want you to marry me. Oh my God.
Which just like that.
Yeah. Just like that. Was that hard?
Will you marry me? Because will you marry me would kind of look bossy. And you'll be like, I want to be your wife.
Wow. That sounds better.
Oh, you be
let's
like,
try it with you and see. You've
like,
come.
Let's
You know, we're trying to maybe see the best way we can do it. Let's say, because ladies are doing it, and some men are. Some men are rejecting ladies, and I sometimes feel bad. And some girls are rejecting men, and I feel bad. So saying "Will you marry me" can be maybe bossy and gender sensitive because it's like
the man to say
yes, like the other side. If you were a woman and wanted to say it, how would you say it politely and so it doesn't sound bossy or gender sensitive?
You come.
What eno muzindalo?
Atulemesa okwefa.
You come. Hey.
You come and you're like, Smith. I know we have gone through a lot together.
Yeah.
Until today. It may have taken you long to say this, or you may be afraid of my response, but I'm willing, or you can be like, but I'm ready to be your wife, or I want to be your wife.
With a ring or without a ring?
Without a ring. Because when I say I want to be your wife, it can give you a go-ahead to go and look for a ring to come and propose in public. Okay.
So I think that proposal, it's very hard for someone to reject that proposal of I want to be your wife. Hilda, do you think why do you think women like you, young ladies like you, reject men like us?
Number one,
reject proposals.
We reject you because maybe we always have backgrounds or we have things we know about you that you people think we don't know.
Thank you.
Or because you've been favoring us?
No, yes, I think you're so... Yes, and you think we don't know. Yes, kulowooza tetumanyi naye nga kumbe naffe bulijjo tukimanyi naye nnoonya ya kikugamba. Kati bw'ojja n'obi... Like, you show me you want me. Yes, kati there you trigger me to tell you. I start and I tell you.
And you reject my proposal?
Yes, and I reject you with a reason. Wakwana gundi, wakwana, and Oba all along.
No, netamanyi Abagamba nti abakazi tuguma. Kati naye kanali nabigumira.
Kati lwaki watondeka n'ondeka n'engeri?
Oddemu amagezi. Sometimes, by the way, let me tell you something. Sometimes, omuntu asirika ng'ayagala akuwa obudde we correcting. Okitegedde? Chinga nga banangamba Smith mubbi n'omuwa obudde.
Muti?
Mubbi.
By the way,
yes.
Understand.
Yes. I will understand you nkuwa obudde.
We tend to understand men very much that we give ourselves reasons for every mistake.
Yes, yes.
Bagana Smith bamukutenga.
Omuwolereze nenga nawe mutima gw'okimanyi.
Nebe mukwata n'ensirika. Nagamba Smith bamukutenga byangu ebikebula.
Omuwolereze naye ng'omanyi kikuswaza.
Nembera nonga n'ebinyuma nengamba you know, there's love without communication.
It's not love.
It's not love. So I'm going to be there and producing records.
Been busy. I've been on a shoot.
And I will tell myself, I will
Dada
keep giving myself.
Those
Been in the
people.
lab.
Which love?
Whether mu theater.
Nekusaba sente notazimpa nengamba. Maybe banditaina.
So no, you don't need no.
Olwokuba nkwagala, I give myself excuses for
Yeah.
mistakes.
No need a warning and proposinga.
Nedda
No
nenkuleka,
ebimuli.
but this keeps on going on. Ate ffe abakazi tuli babi.
Tutereka. We keep things in our
After,
hearts.
when no reason for a mistake, tekitegeeza nti mbeera bibi. You're going to go on with whatever you're doing. You're going to ekikazi kyange wekitaawo nemba sikiwasente. Nosikwata masimu nja tekiryawo. Not knowing
Kiwulirira. Kiguma.
Okay, this conversation can really go on and on and on and on and can never really end because you can never exhaust everything in kwatagana ku relationship, love and marriage. We are just, we are just human beings. Mistakes can be done and all that can be, brought onto the table for discussion. So, what to go in say a strip, please get in the comment section. Give us your view. Who should say it first? And why is it so much these days? The Abakazi was single proposing a Basajja. That's why the panel had come Sajomo, Nenge Kone Chari Wafe at low is a Traga is a Melissa. And so, in our closing remarks, I'll start from Hilda's side. Yeah, we're going to look into Umaru's camera and you're going to tell us what you think about someone saying it first and why women propose to men these days so much and why the rejection comes thereafter.
Okay, to me, my opinion is ndowooza a man should say it first because ekyo kikuyiisa respect eri. Omanyi abasajja mwagala nnyo respectinga. So nsigala mu kirimbu, Umaru propose to me. Oba kitegeera naawe kiba kikuwa eri viga otambula mu banno I'm proposing. Naye ng'omanyi wekiwulikiko omuwala okujja na proposing. It feels so, I don't know, but it really feels good when a guy is the one who has taken the step. And number two, Lwaki abawala aba rejecting is because abalenzi mukola nnyo obuntuntu bwetusirikira. Yes. Wadde olumu omanyi abawala tesobola kujja tugambe direct because of the respect we give you people. Musigala of course muli ekintu mukiheadinga. Naye mukola ebintu olumu neza nengamba nalya olumu nentambula yangamba Smith yakoze kino. Wakoze kino. Nenkayisawo like nenkatonyamu. Naye
Kagamba akapya nenkatonyamu.
Ye nenkatonyamu so that you pick. Omanye nkimanyi uweddeko. Naye if you refuse, gwenooleta ebimuli ng'omanyi kali kanzigwa bambi manyi.
Kale, that's why you reject nonkuba ebimuli.
Yes.
Yes. Jingo, as we come to the end of the show, who should say it first and why are women being rejected these days when they actually say it first?
Actually, woba toli kubwala. Naye atakuproposing.
Good.
Kubanga abagala proposinga gye bali bangi.
But with which intentions?
With
How to
the intentions of love.
Hey.
You're not loved by only one person. It is just that you choose that one among the many.
True.
The wrong one.
True.
So, a guy should say it first. Namu abasajja mukimanyi nti that gives you that anti-respect. Okimanyi bw'otambula nga baproposing ne bano bateweesobola.
Good.
Bayinza n'okutuuza ne bagamba n'okimanyi omukazi oyo agenda akuwasa akufude.
Why is it about other people?
It's between you two.
Yes, why is it not about
Be
us?
it between us two, if I propose to you and you choose to accept, nze mbafuusa omusajja. Just as we had accepted it in the ancient days that omusajja yasaba. Kati nze bwe mba nkwesabidde binayi nkoze ebyakulemu. Abide by my rules.
Sigenda kuzaako ngalo. Byodaga ndabayo oyagala kutukuba. Ogenda kutukubira ku eno show. Show ya musajja. Shiba Richard this year. Wagwan, who should say it first? Wali bwama mu show Shiba tutandika. Who should say it first and why are women being rejected? Why are women being rejected these days when they propose?
I think a man should say it first. I swear.
Okay.
Yeah, a man should say it first. Okay, although sijja kwekaza nange nagambako omusajja nti mwagala. Naye life goes on. being rejected, like kati.
How does it feel, a woman being rejected?
Sometimes twesiba kube abatatwagala. Yeah, gwe nobeerawo ng'olina love mwantiti gwe ng'oyagala omwana waabe.
Katonnyamu ate tufunyeyo ne love wantinti. Katonnyamu ne love wantinti. Shiba mulina omugambo. Owaayi. Sabula.
Ng'oli awo ng'olina love mwantiti gwe ng'oyagala omusajja n'ebitamukwatako naye bambi nga takuliiko. I swear, and men nowadays know how to pretend. Ayinza obba tanjagala naye ng'amanya tishiba ngenda kivugamu makerere kirowooze nkyagala kishiba ngenda fukamira ku Stuart etuuge naye nga sikola ki sikyagala naye
Ngwene mumano bamuseka muleka mwine emboza mwe tamanyi abantu bano ate omuli ali ku kamera yo so kale shiba katukomyawo for the sake of the show gwene mumano bye mukola si birungi katubakomyawo. Let's go to Melissa.
Okay. So the fact that I think a man, I believe and I also think both of them can propose to each other. Not necessarily that you're supposed to propose in camera or something. You can propose in your bedroom and be like, man, I want to get married to you. You understand? That's also proposing. Not necessarily that you're supposed to give a chick a ring. A chick can actually use her words and then propose. That is also proposing. So I think techiri ani asabye ani akoze yakiri nti tweyagala kiri nti tupropose nze kiwedde twekubye ekidaala nze bitebinkwalayo kasaki banti we are married. I don't really care oba omusajja ya propose oba nze akyogedde. Well, so long as we are married, I don't really care about people's words and stuff. This is our family we are building. You understand?
Okay. And I think I just think it's okay. It's okay. Whoever says it first. Yeah, it's okay. Shiboso venoga ivenoga lecture no mugamba. Yeah, no mugamba lecture ola mwana bijjo binsomesa.
Okay.
Sometimes we are slow. Actually,
I cannot propose.
I think Kambagambe Chinchimu, by the way, as we come to the end of the show. Kambagambe Chinchimu, sometimes we are not slow, by the way.
You what?
To all the men that are watching me. Sometimes we are not, actually, even the women. No. Tubana bingi. We be with a lot of stuff on our head. Never sister bafe. Never sister bafe. Never sister bafe.
Kahati kankule sleep. Tonoonya mukazi ng'okyalina okulabirira mama ng'okyalina okulabirira sister wo.
Mama. Ne songa z'omutima. Anyways, this discussion won't come to an end, but next time we are going to be discussing the right and wrong intentions. What should drive a relationship? Right or wrong? Who is Mr. Right? Who is Mr. Wrong? How do you determine who is right? How do you determine who's wrong? Next time here on Let's Talk. My name is the one, the king himself. Thank you so much for watching. Today, Nkoze Mbadene Hilda, thank you so much, Hilda, for coming through. The lovely Hilda, thank you so much, Jing, as always, all the member of the clan. Thank you so much, Shiba, still, the Onomodinko ni wa kanisa ya. Then our new addition to the panel, that is Melissa. Thank you so much still for coming through. Ku camera emba deko ni mwana mlenzi Bilbao as always. Yankubide chi jacket ya adripinze. Then sija jogera ko. Bachi musabye ko na achambala teyesembeza. Then tuinayo mwana mlenzi Umar ku camera B nga bulijjo Mr. Jordan yabeera kawo nga kuba different shots as moving from side A to side B. Then ku camera attendant tubaddeko ne mwana mlenzi amanyiddwa nga bamuyita King Kong. That is anyways, thank you so much. Again, I'm comment section. We're dropping comments. We'll be glad to read all your comments and catch you next time. I love you and bye-bye.